Yes. So, Honorable Justice of Telangana High Court, Justice B. Vijay Sen Reddy Garu, Dr. Kadarvalli Garu, Swami Shittikandananda Garu, Acharya Mohan Gupta ji, Pooja Bansal ji, Ravi Kumar Reddy Garu, Sister Radhika Garu, members of Council for Green Revolution, Leela Lakshma Reddy Garu and Lakshma Reddy Garu, Professor Purushottam Reddy Garu, Dr. Sai Bhaskar Reddy Garu, partner NGOs, and citizens of Mother Earth in the audience. A very warm welcome to you all and a very good afternoon. Every major happening in the world, good or bad, has its roots in the thoughts of a concentrated mind. So as an example, a single thought, a single negative thought in the mind of a person like Osama bin Laden has led to mass destruction and creation of fear in the minds of millions. On the positive side, a single thought in the mind of a noble heart like Anna Hazare ji has led to a movement involving crores of Indians, the movement of anti-corruption, and it also led to a creation of a new political party. So how did a thought translate into such great action? How did it result in a mission? How did it result in a movement? So the intensity of the thought combined with the influence on the other minds, a systematic training, a systematic motivation, a connection established with the other minds has resulted in such movements. Climate change, it is the result of such a systematic training of the minds over the last century to focus on what is only external, focus on one's own personal ambitions rather than inward development, has resulted in greed, hatred, and other negativities. And this is what we are facing today. And we have to break this. We need intense positive leaders to bring about this change. So this webinar, conceived by Council for Green Revolution and supported by NGOs, eminent intellectuals who are speakers, and attended by empathetic citizens of Mother Earth, has the potential for great action. Spiritual awakening and good health only can create such earth leaders who are driven by positivity, who will have all the positive qualities and perseverance and the strength to take this movement forward. Honorable Justice of Telangana High Court, Justice B. Vijay Sen Reddy Garu, has kindly consented to address the audience along with other eminent spiritual and health leaders. Let us take this opportunity today to listen, learn, and practice the path shown by these great leaders Thank you.